In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn Chrome Sync on or off. If you use Google Chrome across more than one device, Chrome Sync can help keep your browsing experience consistent by syncing things like bookmarks, history, passwords, and settings. And if you'd rather keep that information local to one device, you can also turn Sync off at any time. I'll walk you through both options clearly so you know exactly where to click and what to expect. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click your profile picture or profile icon. This is where Chrome gives you access to account-related options, including sync settings. If sync is not currently enabled, you should see an option that says Turn on Sync. Click that to begin. Chrome will then prompt you to sign into your Google account if you aren't signed in already. Go ahead and complete the sign-in process using your account credentials. After you sign in, Chrome will ask you to confirm that you want to turn sync on. Click Yes, I'm in. Once you do that, Chrome Sync will be enabled and your browser data can begin syncing across devices connected to the same Google account. This can be especially useful if you want your saved bookmarks, autofill information, and browsing preferences to follow you from one device to another. If at some point you decide you no longer want Chrome syncing your information, turning it off is just as simple. Go back to Chrome and find the Turn Off button. Click it once to start the process. Chrome will then ask you to confirm your choice, which helps prevent accidental changes to your account settings. When the confirmation appears, click Turn Off again. After that, sync will be disabled. This means Chrome will stop syncing browser data with your Google account on that device. A quick tip before you make changes: if you share your computer with other people, turning sync off can be a good privacy choice. On the other hand, if you regularly switch between devices, leaving sync on can save time and make your browsing experience much more convenient. And that's all there is to it. Open Chrome, click your profile icon, turn sync on and sign in if needed, then confirm. Or if you want to disable it, click turn off and confirm again. It's a quick setting, but it can make a big difference in how Chrome works for you.